Hey, I'm Ben from bencanhelp.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your various apps and tools to Claude CoWork, and I'll specifically be using Gmail as the example here so you can understand how to connect your different apps and then how to use them in the chat and how to use multiple apps in one chat, which is where the magic really happens. To do this, you'll need a paid Claude account and the Claude desktop app so you can access CoWork. If you have a paid Claude account, but you don't see CoWork, that means you're probably using the website version inside of Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. You want to make sure you're using the Claude app on your computer. If you don't already have it, I have the link in the description of this video. Okay, so once you are in the app and you're on the CoWork tab, you want to go to Customize on the left-hand side. And once you click on that menu option, you'll see we have Customize Claude right here. And the first option is to connect your apps. So click on Connect Your Apps. You'll see that mine already has a lot of different apps connected, hence the check marks for things like Google Calendar and Canva and Figma and Slack and HubSpot and all these amazing tools. And in this example, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail. So all we need to do is click on the plus button to connect. Now, if you want to find a specific connector, you could search for it here. As an example, if I wanted to connect, let's say Gamma, I can search for Gamma, I can find that. If I want to find G2 reviews, I could type in G2. In this case, we're going to use Gmail, so I'll click on the plus icon to connect, and then it will open my browser and say connect Claude to Gmail. So I'm going to click continue. It'll ask me which email account I want to use. I have a bunch of different Gmails, so in this case, I'm going to select my main one. Unfortunately, you can only connect one Gmail account and one account from any connector right now. I do wish you could connect multiple Gmails to it. I have 9 different accounts. I wish I could use them all at the same time, but I have one main account, so that's the one I will connect here. Then I'll click on Open Claude once I've done that. And now we should see inside of Claude, when I go to Connect Your Apps, we have the check mark for Gmail. So you can continue that process for all your different apps so that you can connect them. Okay, now once it's connected, how do you actually use the tool? Well, we're going to open a new task, click on this plus icon here, and check that we have that connector turned on. And connectors are like tools that we're allowing CoWork to use in this particular chat. So here we have Gmail turned on. You can see we have Figma and Excalibur and Google Drive and all these things. But I actually recommend turning off any tools you won't use in a chat, especially because you can turn them on later. And the reason I say that is because the less tools you give to your CoWork conversations, the faster it'll work. Think about it like a human. If you gave a human a toolbox with 50 different tools and they only needed a screwdriver, it would take them longer to find the screwdriver than if you just handed them one tiny toolbox with just a screwdriver in it. So I'm going to turn everything off except for Gmail, and I'm going to have it create an email draft for me. So I'm literally going to say, make an email draft to ben@bencanhelp.com. Subject should be, this is a test, and the body should say, hopefully the video taught many people. Okay. Now you might be thinking, Ben, you're just typing out the whole email here. Why would you even use this? Why don't you just open Gmail? Well, I could tell it based on those notes, write a properly formatted email with some more bullet points about how Claude CoWork can use Gmail. So now it'll actually write significantly more content for me. It'll save it as a draft in my Gmail, and we'll see this happen in real time because on the right side, we have our tool connector right here. You can see Gmail is being used, and now it says it's creating a Gmail draft. So it knows exactly where to make it. It's saying it's sitting in my Gmail drafts with the subject. And so now I'm going to open Gmail and see what's in my drafts box. We can see this is a test is loaded right here. It says, hopefully the video taught many people. Here are a few things Claude CoWork can do with Gmail. Search your inbox for a full Gmail query, read individual messages or conversation threads, draft new emails, create draft replies within threads, list and manage your saved drafts, pull your Gmail profile info and mailbox stats, and list all labels for organizing and filtering. So it wrote a proper email for me, and you can see it's already has the subject and the to field. So I can click send and I'm done. That's awesome. Okay, now what if I want to combine multiple tools together? For example, I want to combine a connector like Airtable, which I use as my CRM, and this email. So I'm going to say, draft another email to Ben about how Claude CoWork can be a good CRM management tool. So I can use it to actually manage my CRM and add a note about that in Airtable, add Ben as a lead. So now I can connect multiple tools. So it will both write an email for me and put it in my drafts, and it can then save that info, like the email address, the person's name, what the content of the email is, into this tool that I am using. I'm using Airtable. It's not actually a proper CRM, but now it'll do both at the same time. And so we can see that Gmail is connected here. And then I need to add the connector by clicking plus and making sure Airtable is on. So that's what I did a few moments ago. And we should see that after it creates the Gmail draft, the Airtable connector will show up. And now we're using two different tools in one basically automation that I made by just typing into Claude CoWork. So now the email draft is done. It's adding Ben as a lead with a note in Airtable. And again, if I open my Gmail and I just refresh my drafts, we can see Claude CoWork, a CRM management tool. There we go. I have my whole email. I have my email signature. All this stuff is done right here. So if you need any help with automations in your business, or you have more questions about Claude CoWork, feel free to leave a comment on this video or send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com. I hope this video helps you get a head start with connecting your tools to Claude CoWork. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. Peace.